Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our next topic that is laws of exponent for real numbers. Now laws of exponent means there are few rules, basic rule which you have to understood before applying any of the sum. So first of all, it's product rule. Here x and x are the numbers and a and b are the exponent. So when exponent are different having the same number, the product in their multiplication we have to add their power. तो पावर का क्या होगा? एडिशन होगा. तो जब भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा having two different powers we have to add the power. Just for example, if I write 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 5, so here both the numbers are same but powers are different in between multiplication sign, so we have to add the power 3 plus 5, so this will be 2 raised to 8. So this is the power form of this given number. So multiplication में क्या करना है? Add. इतना याद रखना है. Then next, x raised to a raised to b means power of power. This is the power और उसका भी power क्या है? b. Power of power always multiply. So a into b is what? X raised to ab. Now we will take any example. 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 4. 5 raised to 2, so 2 4s are 8, so 5 raised to 8. So यहाँ पे power of power multiply होगा. Similarly now x raised to a, x raised to b, यहाँ पे multiplication था, here it is what? Division. Now in division two possibilities are there, depends on the value of a and b. So here I can write x equals x raised to a minus b. If I take this b power to the numerator, वो क्या हो जाएगा? Subtract. For example, 5 raised to 7, 5 raised to 4. यहाँ पे बड़ा पावर कहाँ पे? न्यूमरेटर में. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 5 raised to 7 minus 4, and this is equals to 5 raised to 3. 7 minus 4, that is what? 3. Now this is possible if the numerator power is greater. Now let's take the example if denominator power is greater. Let's reverse this thing. Example, 5 raised to 4, 5 raised to 7. So now it's better to take 4 to the denominator than 7 to the numerator. Means 4 छोटा पावर है तो वो बड़े पावर के पास जाके माइनस होगा. So 1 upon ये पूरा नंबर नीचे जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 7 minus 4, and this is equals to 1 upon 5 raised to 3. So this is the way we can get two answers for almost same type of numbers. Then clear this one. Now fourth one, it's x into y. Powers are same but these numbers are different. जो पहला कंडीशन था उसमें नंबर सेम थे, पावर अलग थे. Now it's reverse condition. Now powers are same and numbers are different. So this will be x into y raised to a. If you don't understand with this, let's look at one example. 2 into 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, दो अलग अलग नंबर और उसके पावर्स क्या है यहाँ पे? सेम. So this we can write as 2 into 5 raised to 3. So 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to 3. So this is the way we can convert any number into power form by using this fourth rule. Now the inverse rule. Now x raised to minus a. Now if I want to make this power positive, तो मुझे पावर को कहाँ ले जाना होगा? डिनोमिनेटर में. So this becomes what? x raised to a. For example, suppose 4 raised to minus 5. So to convert this negative power to positive power, I have to take whole this number into denominator. तो पूरा नंबर नीचे चला जाएगा. ये +4 है वो तो प्लस ही रहेगा, सिर्फ पावर का साइन चेंज होगा. स्टूडेंट कभी कभी क्या करते हैं? इसको भी नेगेटिव कर देते हैं. That is a wrong thing. So only you have to convert the sign of power. Now having a fraction x by y whole raised to minus a. So this is x raised to minus a, y raised to minus a. दोनों नेगेटिव पावर हो गए. नाउ कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू पॉजिटिव पावर. जो डिनोमिनेटर में उसे मैं कहाँ ले जाऊंगा, न्यूमरेटर, एंड दिस न्यूमरेटर आई टेक इनटू द डिनोमिनेटर. सो दिस विल बी y raised to a x raised to a. मोस्टली whenever you going to write any answer in power form, हमेशा पॉजिटिव पावर में आंसर लिखना होगा. Then for example, if I write 2 by 5 raised to minus 3, what does it mean? 2 raised to minus 3, 5 raised to minus 3. अब 5 raised to minus 3 को ऊपर लाऊंगा तो क्या होगा, 5 raised to 3. And if I take 2 raised to minus 3 in denominator, it's 2 raised to minus plus 3. तो यहां पे जो नंबर था एग्जैक्टली उसका पोजीशन चेंज हो गया. तो न्यूमरेटर में था, कहां चला गया, डिनोमिनेटर में, और जो डिनोमिनेटर में था वो कहां चला गया, न्यूमरेटर में. सो बोथ द पावर्स आर नाउ पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज द रूल विच वी गोइंग टू यूज फॉर लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, विच इज बेस्ड ऑन पावर एंड एक्सपोनेंट. Exercise 1.6. Now, before starting this exercise, let me explain you simple thing which you should know, and if you don't know, just try to understand this. If I write 4, तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए 4 का पावर फॉर्म क्या होगा. Instead of 4, we can write what, 2 square. If I write 8, 8 is the power form of what, 2 cube. If I write 16, this is what, 2 raised to 4. Similarly, if I write 27, 27 is the power form of what, 3. 3 how many times? 3s are, because 3 into 3 into 3 is what, 27. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो ऐसे पावर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना आना चाहिए. इफ यू लुक एट दिस नंबर 125, तो ये 125 को देख के स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए कि 125 is a multiple of 5. How many times? 5 into 5, 25. 25 5 is a 125. So instead of this 125, we can write 5 raised to 3. If I take 32, it's a power form of 2. 2 raised to 5. Then we can take 81, is 3 raised to 4. Similarly, many numbers are there. If you take 64, it's a power form of what, 2. 2 raised to 6. तो ये सब तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करते करते आएगा. मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, मोर यू गेट द न्यू नंबर्स, तुम्हें पता चलेगा कौन से नंबर को किस पावर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. फिर भी नंबर को देख के यू शुड हैव टू स्ट्राइक विच नंबर आई टू टेक एज इन अ पावर फॉर्म. दिस आर द फ्यू एग्जांपल. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन such type of example, we are going to start exercise 1.6. Let's start with first question. Find first 64 1 by 2, second 32 raised to 1 by 5, third 125 raised to 1 by 3. This is our first question. You have to just simplify it. So let's write down the first question. 64. यहाँ पे पावर में क्या दिया है, 1 by 2. So 64 is the square of any number. 64 is the square of 8. तो मैं यहाँ पे स्क्वायर क्यों ले रहा हूँ, 8 square whole raised to 1 by 2. Now we know that power of power, we have to multiply. So this is 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Answer is what? 8. अभी तुम्हें लगेगा just now I told you 64 means 2 raised to 6. But here as per the power we have to take the number. Now if you look at here 32. So it's what? 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 क्या होगा? 32. Because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Whole raised to 1 by 5. So again, power of power multiply. 5 5 get cancelled and it's what? 2. Then last 125. 125 is the third power of which number? It's 5. So it's 5 raised to 3. Whole raised to 1 by 3. So 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled. How much I got? 5. So this is the way we can solve first question of 1.6. Let's take the another one. Now let's start with the first one. It's 9. We know that 9 is a square of 3. 9 is a square है 3 का square. Now instead of 9 I wrote 3 raised to 2. Whole raised to 3 by 2. Then 2 into 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 get cancelled as they are in multiplication. So it's what? 3 raised to 3. So we can write here what? 27. As the question is what here? It's evaluate. We got the answer. Now 32 means 2 raised to 5. Whole raised to 2 by 5. तो 32 की जगह मैंने क्या लिखा? 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. Again 5 and 5 get cancelled. 2 raised to 2. So our answer is what? 4. Third example, 16. Now here in denominator is what? 4. So 16 किसका fourth power है? That is of 2. 2 का fourth power क्या होगा? 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So instead of 16, we can write 2 raised to 4. 3 by 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 get cancelled. So 2 raised to 3. So it's not 2 3s are. It's 2 into 2 into 2. Final answer is 8. Sorry. Similarly here 125. 5 raised to 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. So 5 raised to minus 1. As here we are getting answer in negative power, we have to convert this into positive. So it's 1 upon 5 raised to 1. That is equals to 1 upon 5. We can write directly here 1 raised to 5. Then also it's 5. 1 upon 5. So this is the way we can solve question number 2. Now last one, that is third question. This all questions are of textbook only. Question number 3. It's simplified, but our roots are not there, power forms are there. First one, it's 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Question number 2, 1 upon 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. Third, 11 raised to 1 by 2 and 11 raised to 1 by 4. And the last is what? Fourth one, 7 raised to 1 by 2 and 8 raised to 1 by 2. Now let's apply all the formula here. Here if you can see both the numbers are same. This point means multiplication. So now in product multiplication हो तो हमें क्या करना होगा? Addition. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now you have to add this power. So 2 raised to, what is the LCM here? 3 और 5 का LCM क्या होगा? 15. So LCM is 15. अब क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर लगाए? It's not 2 and 1 only. 3 how many times 15? Or you can say जो भी LCM आएगा, just assume that multiplying here for both the fraction. So 3 how many times 15? 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 5 how many times 15? 5 3s are 3 1s are 3. So how much I got here? 2 raised to 13 upon 15. Now second one, whole raised to 7 means this power will apply on both the numbers. 1 raised to 7, 3 raised to 3, whole raised to 7. So 1 raised to 7 means 1 into 1 into 1, 7 times it will remain 1. 3 7s are 21, 3 raised to 21. Third one, as I told you, now 11 raised to 1 by 2, 11 raised to 1 by 4. You should know 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. This is an half, this is an half of half. This is 1/4 and this is 1 by 2. So I'll take the smaller power to the numerator. So 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. ये पावर ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? माइनस. अब जिसको यहाँ पे पता नहीं चला, try to understand here. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? LCM of 2 and 4 is what? 4. It's not 8. 11. LCM is what? 4. Assume that 4 is multiplying both the fraction. So 2 how many times 4? 2 2s are. Minus as it is. Here 4 and 4 get cancelled. So 1. So 11 raised to 2 minus 1. So this is the way we can solve third one. And the last one, 7 raised to 1 by 2, 8 raised to 1 by 2. Now as per the fourth rule, here numbers are different but power are same. जब numbers अलग है पर power same है. So we can write this number as 7 into 8 whole raised to 1 by 2. Now 7 8s are 56 raised to 1 by 2. So this is our answer. Last one. So this is the way we can solve whole exercise 1.6.